Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to post stories on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. How to post stories on TikTok. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app, click on this plus mark and switch to video mode, or you can also take picture of anything and you can take picture from your gallery. It's depend on you and click on this option, your story. Your picture will be uploaded on your story by this option and video will be to your story through these steps. Click on, you can see there is option of next, and besides that there is your story. Your story will be uploaded in the form of videos like here. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.